Hello, my name is Rebecca Cherry. I'm a tenured chemistry faculty member and the chemistry department chair at Fresno City College. I'm also a dues-paying member of State Center Federation of Teachers. Magnesium, diethyl ether, bromobenzene, iodine, benzophenone, hydrochloric acid, sodium sulfate, petroleum ether, isopropyl alcohol, deuterated chloroform. Do you know what these chemicals are? How they interact with each other? How they interact with water? What all of their safety hazards are? In order to teach my labs, I have to know these things. I have to spend time each week reviewing all of this. This is not inherent knowledge I have as a chemist. The chemicals I listed are for just one experiment in one of many labs I teach each semester. On top of knowing all safety hazards, I have to manage 30 students, which, by the way, is more than the 24 that the American Chemical Society deems safe for an undergraduate teaching lab. I have to have eyes on each student to make sure that they don't get hurt. I have to tend to each question they have along the way. At the beginning of each lab, I have to give a lecture on the experiment, which I have to take time each week preparing for. I have to cover safety, procedural notes, and relate the experiment to what we're learning in lecture. At the end of every lab, I leave exhausted, often having walked over 3 miles in one 3-hour lab period. Then I have to go home and hand grade all lab reports. There is no mastering chemistry for lab experiments. Board of Trustees, Chancellor Goldsmith, are you telling me and all my fellow lab faculty that what I described above is worth less than teaching a lecture? That we deserve to be paid less for all the prep work that is required to keep our students safe, for the constant vigilance during the lab period, for the hours of grading afterwards? Honestly, it's insulting. I'll conclude with the fact that this year, the State Academic Senate for California Community Colleges passed a resolution in favor of lab lecture LHE equivalency. One of our sister colleges, College of the Sequoias, adopted equivalency in their latest contract as well. SCCCD needs to join them.